Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen recipes. In this video I will be showing how to make watermelon lemonade. Ingredients are shown in this video and also in the description box. Take a blender and add 2 cups of watermelon pieces, cut them into small pieces, 6 to 7 mint leaves. Take 2 medium-sized lemons and squeeze the juice. 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Adjust it according to the sweetness of watermelon. Half cup of water. Blend them smoothly together. Strain the watermelon juice in a strainer. Strain the juice with the help of a spoon. Watermelon juice is ready. Keep it aside. Now take a serving glass. To give it a fancy look, dip rim of the glass in a plate of water and coat the rim with the sugar evenly. The glass rim is coated with sugar. Now add some ice cubes in the glass and pour the watermelon lemonade. Garnish with some mint leaves. Watermelon lemonade is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my kitchen recipes. Thank you.